So guys, today I'm going to show you how to activate send now and pay later money option in Botim app. I'm also going to show you how to be eligible for the Botim send now and pay later money option, how the Botim SNPL trick works. So let's get started. Once you log in into your Botim wallet, simply navigate to the send now and pay later money option. As you can see here, it's under the credit section. To be eligible for this Botim loan, it's very easy, guys. First, you get instant approval. No documents are required and you have flexible repayment terms. So simply start by selecting your monthly income or salary range. Once that is done, provide two reference contacts by entering their name, their mobile number, and the relationship you have with them, and then confirm. Now, here you have to verify your email address. Simply enter your email, tap on confirm, and again, tap on the verify now button. You will receive an OTP. Enter this OTP, and your email address will be automatically verified. Next is verifying your mobile phone number. Go ahead, enter your OTP. Wait for a few minutes while the Botim app checks for your loan or credit eligibility. Congratulations, guys. As you can see, I'm currently eligible for a loan or a credit of 2,700 dirhams. I'm going to show you how to use it to send money back home to your friends and family. But here is the Botim SNPL trick. You can repay your Botim loan in 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, or 2 months, depending. And if you are not eligible for this loan at your first try, make sure to make at least 3 international money transfers using your Botim wallet. So, to use this Botim loan to send money back home to your friends and family, simply tap on use it now. Once that is done, select your beneficiary, the person you want to send money to. And at payment page, select use send now and pay later. Enter the payment card details. That is the card that you use to repay back this loan, okay? So guys, that is how you unlock, activate, and use your Botim send now and pay later money transfer option. Anyone can access this Botim loan, even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams.